Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fry, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the Ultimate Neighbor 112 action figure from Mess Toys. Ito yung box art niya, front, side, and back. We have the logo of Ultimate Neighbor na Spider-Man. Ang ganda ng ganda ng logo niya. Minimalist lang. You have the head of the spider, tapos body. Ilan legs to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. Okay, marami siyang accessories. Ang dami accessories. Meron ding siyang uh, pole and base. Ganda rin ng base niya. Very cool na circular base. And this is the figure out of the box. Ganda ng para sa bootleg na to, super super nice ng pagkakagawa rito. Mas trip ko to kaysa dun sa ano pala yung isa? Yung black symbiote na Mess Toys din na Spider-Man. This one is hindi siya masyadong loose kasi parang masyadong loose yung mga joints eh. Pero astig nito, mas trip ko tong gantong design. You have the webbing design sa kanyang head, sa chest, and up to dito sa kanyang shoulders. Tapos meron din siyang black body, black suit body, tapos yung inner part ng kanyang kamay ay red. Tapos yung kanyang gauntlets ay silver and you have the red button right there. Very nice sculpt, very nice paint job. Yung kanyang eyes ay glossy black. Yung kanyang backpack ay glossy red. Pati itong mga spider legs sa likod, pwede nyong galawin in terms of, pwede nyong i-articulate kung ano yung gusto nyong position. Kung gusto nyo, one per direction, kunwari dito sa north, just pa diagonal, pa X. Kahit anong pattern, pwede nyong galawin. Hindi ko muna pinasok, pwede nyo iset pala. Hindi ko muna pinasok ng madiin yung mga pegs para madali natin matanggal kasi i-repaint natin to. Pero sobrang stable nung mga spider legs niya, hindi siya loose. Okay? In terms of mga joints din, hindi rin siya loose compared dun sa na-unbox ko na Mess Toys na black suit spider. Okay? Tapos yung kanyang head can look up like that. Ay, sige. Can look up. Very nice na joint. Meron lang space na konti. Down. Tilt. Tilt. Nice. Nice tilt. Tapos, rotation. Tapos ito ang kanyang butterfly na joints. Very nice. Pwede siyang mag-contract ng ganito and then stretch. And then, pwede rin umikot ang kanyang kamay. Naka-ball joint naman to eh. So, very free. Mataas yung kanyang range of motion. Meron ding twist. Rotation itong kanyang arm. Double jointed elbow. And ball joint yung kamay. Tapos, yung spider legs can articulate. Meron siyang joint dito. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 points of articulation. Pwede nyo siyang i-bend and rotate. That's very, very cool. Makakagawa kayo ng mga poses na mga super dynamic poses. Madami pang mga alternate hands at saka alt heads. Dalawa yung alt heads niya. Tapos, yung kanyang waist can twist like this. Yung ab crunch. Look at the ab crunch. Super nice. Tapos, stretch, twist, 360. Pwede ba mag 360 to? Pwede ata. Pero, di ko muna todo. Okay? Tapos, kick that far, double jointed knee, ganda ng ganda ng articulation. Meron ding cut dito sa upper part ng thigh, and then lower part can also be twisted, rotated, can also rotate like this. Tapos meron ding toe articulation, ball joint yung paa. Okay, super super ganda nito for for a bootleg, super nice. Tapos in terms of accessories, meron kang dalawang web effects. Ito parang webbings na na-attach sa, hindi ko alam kung paano to. Baka dun sa sa kamay din. Something like this. Ayan. Yan. Something like that. Okay? Tapos, marami rin siyang alt hands. Bilangin natin Meron din pala siyang drone. Yung drone niya, meron siyang circular dome sa, oh nice. Spider drone pala. 8 legs, and then you have the 4 small na dots for the eyes. Tapos ito yung kanyang alt head. Very nice. Half open yung kanyang mask. Ay, yung, tama. And then, ano pa ba? Ito, yung face sculpt ni Peter Parker. Super cool. Kasama pa yung part ng neck. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 alt hands. Sobrang dami nun. Teka, tanggalin lang natin tong part ng neck. Alright, very cool head sculpt of Peter Parker. You have the black hair, parted sa gitna. Tapos, in terms of paint, very nice paint application. Skin tone is on point. And then you have the nose bridge, the lips, the chin. It's very pronounced. You have the jawline. Tapos ears, okay din naman. Maganda yung paint sa mata. Hindi naman siya cross-eyed. Eyebrows are thick. Very cool na face sculpt. Okay, palitan naman natin. Try natin yung isang head sculpt. I think this is cool. Yung kanya half open na, wow, stig. Ganda nito. Naalala ko tuloy yung Spider-Man na trailer from Brand New Day. Meron siyang shot na ganito eh. Yung pinul niya yung mask niya down para masuot niya yung yung head part ng suit niya. So that's cool. Again, thank you very much, Mess Toys, for creating these kinds of action figures. Super cool. So, ayan. Gawa muna tayo ng one post para sa review na to. Alright. Super cool nito Mess Toys na Ultimate Neighbor na Spider-Man action figure. This is very nice. Lalong-lalo na itong mga spider legs na ina-attach sa kanyang backpack. This is very nice. Kahit na bootleg siya, very stable naman yung kanyang joints. And wala namang mga loose na parts. So I think this is a very recommended na product. Thank you very much, Mess Toys, for creating these. So pag na-release ko yan ng ibang mga action figures, bibili din ako para matry ko custom, para siyang gawing base for our custom repaint na mga action figures. Alright, so yun lang mga ma'am sir, that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye-bye!